Hi, today we're going to take a look at user management and how we can provision different users or groups of people to be able to see different things within DivvyCloud. So here in this Chrome tab, I am logged in as a domain administrator, so I can manage all of my permissions across all of my users right from here. But I've also got this Alex lockdown user, which is where we're going to be demoing what we can and can't do. And the way this works is we're going to take a look at roles, entitlements, groups, and again, users. And one of the big ways that we can do the initial scoping of permissions is by badges. Badges are essentially account level tags. And so we're going to say that Alex can only see accounts that have the account owner labeled as Alex C. So the way we're going to do this is we've got my user here, and I'm going to apply Alex C to a group, which is just going to be called Alex's team group. And the point of groups is that we can then set up multiple users to all be assigned to the same set of permissions if needed. So I'm now assigned to a group, but you can see here I don't have any roles. So that brings me over to the roles tab. Now roles are what resources can we actually see. And so you can see I've got my visibility role here that I've created, and I've got a decent amount of permissions. I can view, provision, manage, and delete, but I can't actually see anything. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on the 0 here for badges, and I'm going to say I can see everything with this Alex C badge. So I'll submit it here. I've applied a badge, and now I need to set up a group. Alex's team group. So now we've gone from resource to group, group to role, and then the role is scoped down based on badge. Now the last thing to note is that there's roles and entitlements. Entitlements are not about what resources you can see, but what features can you see. So like you can see here, I've disabled infrastructure as code for this user, but let's take it a little bit further. Let's say I can't see the tag explorer and I can't see scheduled events. Maybe I can't even see bot factory. Now I'll submit it here. And now when I come over to this tab, I didn't have anything attached, so I had no permissions. But now when I refresh, I can see just those 3 environments that again have that Alex badge on them. Over on the left-hand side, I can't see a whole lot because again, we've stripped off a bunch of those permissions via the entitlements. But the resources that I can see are only resources as they relate to these 3 badges. I can't see everything. So using this is a great way to make sure that we can have lots of users within DivvyCloud that are covering tons of different resources and environments, but do it in a way where we can make sure that all the permission is scoped down to just where it needs to be. Thanks.